Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. This is Sarah.
What is your name?
My name is Baku.
How are you today?
I am happy.
How old are you?
I am 5 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Sri Lanka.
What school do you go to?
I go to Dallas School.
What class are you in?
I'm in kindergarten T section 7.
What are the 7 days of the week?
The 7 days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
How's the weather today?
This is coming.
Okay, touch your elbows. How many elbows do you have?
I have 2 elbows.
Name the parts of the body. Foot,
Foot,
knee.
knee,
Name the family members.
and mother, and father.
Going to the snowy weather. Water bottle. Okay, please read. I. Okay, count from 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Please give me an eraser. Arms forward, turn around. Say the phonic sound. Mo. What is this? What is this? Is this a cat? Is this a cat? Very good. Okay, stand, say goodbye.
Goodbye.